Good evening, I'm Kevin Burke with the National Weather Service Office for Chicago, Illinois. Just want to take the next few minutes to bring you up to date on the latest information regarding our winter storm expected to affect the area tonight and into Saturday. Well, first of all, we've got light snow already occurring across southern portions of the area, mainly south of I-80. And this area of light snow will continue to move northward and overspread much of northern Illinois and northwestern Indiana as we head through the later evening hours. And then we should start to see it pick up in intensity later tonight and into tomorrow morning. And during that period, especially tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, we could be looking at some periods of heavy snow across portions of the area. And then further south, especially south of I-80, freezing rain could become an issue, especially as we head into the morning on Saturday. And looking ahead to next week, we have a potential for another winter storm to affect the region sometime around Tuesday or Wednesday. But I do want to stress that this is still pretty far out, and there's a lot of uncertainty regarding, one, the strength of the system and also where it will track, which will largely dictate how much, if any, snow northern Illinois sees out of this system. And as I mentioned before, what's really going to get interesting here on Saturday morning, because we're going to be bringing up some much warmer and moist air across the region, especially southern sections of the area. And this is going to lead to a changeover sometime Saturday morning to periods of freezing rain and possibly sleet as well. And this could result in a fairly significant icing event across this area here that you see highlighted. And potentially some of these areas could see in excess of a quarter inch of icing out of this. Again, a lot of uncertainty still, because could be sleet, could be freezing rain, and could actually even see some icing a little bit further north than what's indicated on here, potentially into some of the southern suburbs of Chicago as well. But for the most part, as you head further north, you're going to be looking at mainly snow, and you can see mainly just a swath of about 6 to 10 inches are possible across much of northern Illinois, with slightly lighter amounts as you head towards north central Illinois here. So again, a fairly significant snow, and this will be a fairly wet snow, especially considering what we've seen of late. And as you head across far southeastern sections of the area into east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana, these areas we're looking at a potential for a period of freezing rain later tonight into early tomorrow, but warmer temperatures should push temperatures above freezing during the morning tomorrow, so the threat for significant icing is much less as you head further south and east. And for these areas where we're going to see the 6 to 10 inch rates, we can expect to see potential of 1 inch per hour type snow rates, especially Saturday morning, anytime between about 6 a.m. and the noon hour. That would be what we're looking at for the heaviest snow right now. And then during the afternoon, more of a light to moderate type snow event before things start to taper off later tomorrow afternoon. And also further south, we're kind of expecting that period of heaviest freezing rain potential during the morning and early afternoon hours, where up to a quarter inch or more is possible in some of these areas in the southern sections of the region. We currently have a winter storm warning in effect for most of northeastern Illinois and portions of central Illinois and north central Illinois, and also into northwest Indiana. And again, this is for the heavy snow north, and the southern part of the warning is for the icing potential in addition to some snow. And then also winter weather advisories up by Rockford and in the far southeastern sections of the area, east central Illinois and into Indiana, for some snow tonight, and also the potential for some light icing before temperatures warm above freezing Saturday morning. And just a quick look at next week's potential storm. Again, as I was saying, a lot of uncertainties, but we could see a low pressure system track somewhere from eastern Texas up across the Ohio Valley, and this could again be a very moisture laden system with the potential somewhere across the country to produce some significant snowfall amounts. So again, at this point, it's just a system that's worth monitoring. So again, overall, you can expect light snow this afternoon and early this evening with maybe an inch through early to mid-evening. And then snow will continue to move northward and pick up in intensity tonight and peak in intensity Saturday morning, where heavy snow is possible, especially along and north of I-80, and to the south, potential for some significant icing and freezing rain across areas south of I-80. So that's it for the latest information on this storm system, and have a good evening. Thank you.